How to fix Roblox avatar not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox avatar not loading on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here Roblox, click on it, and here click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back here and go to battery and disable power saving mode. If you find it like that, just disable it and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And just try to restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.